Welcome to Hypnotic Power Nap for ADHD. You're listening to me, Jamie Vasilian, the Hypnosis for ADHD specialist. Get ready to experience a 10-minute power nap designed to help you return refreshed, energized, and focused for whatever kind of day you may have ahead of you. So get ready to go into hypnosis. You can be sitting or lying. Keep your head level and focus your eyes on something above you, as though you're looking up into your own forehead. That's it. Just focus your eyes onto that point up there. Give it all your attention, like it's the only thing in the universe right now, like it's the only thing that matters right now. Just you and that point, nothing else. Imagine you've got laser beams coming out of your eyes now. They go up and up, closer and closer together, until they become one with that point above you as you sit or lie here. And if your mind or your eyes wander, that's okay. Let it be a reminder to bring them gently back. Every time you return to that point, you strengthen a muscle in your mind, the muscle of focus and concentration. Now you might be wondering, what's the point of focusing on that point? Just imagine that point represents the experience of a deeply refreshing, rejuvenating, restorative, hypnotic power nap. So as you focus on that point, become aware of your breathing. And when you're ready to go into hypnosis, in a moment but not now, take a deep breath in through your nose, filling up your lungs with oxygen, which is energy for your brain and body, and breathe out through your mouth, long and slow, and let your eyes close down. That's it. And with your eyes closed, imagine or remember that point up there. Or perhaps it's just a feeling of being focused upon it. And if the mind wanders from that point, bring it back gently. Another rep. Every time you do this, it's like another rep, strengthening the muscle of focus and concentration like a laser beam. And then you reach a point where you no longer need to focus on that point. Your unconscious mind, the part that controls your heartbeat and breathing, all automatic processes of body and mind, does all the focusing for you now, can just rest back, let go and relax into this experience, in this moment, the only moment that exists, here and now. You know, the word hypnosis comes from hypnos, meaning deep sleep. But hypnosis isn't the same as sleep, though it can help you drift into deeper rest. We don't know how we fall asleep, any more than we know how we fall into hypnosis. But we do know that trying to sleep doesn't work, and trying to go into hypnosis doesn't work either. What does work, however, is creating the ideal conditions for hypnosis or deep sleep to naturally occur. When we go to sleep, we slow down, lights lower, quiet increases, maybe a familiar smell of your bed or pillow as you breathe in, breathe out. It tells your body it's time to drift and let go. And we've all had that half awake, half asleep feeling, mind awake, body falling asleep, noticing the muscles relaxing, drifting into deep sleep. Can be wonderful to savor consciously that sense of calm, that peacefulness, no care in the world, almost like you're not even there. At some point you drift and you dream, whether you remember or not, those dreams that are designed to help you let go of stress, process learning, and form new unconscious connections. And sometimes sleep is deep and refreshing, sometimes not deep and refreshing, but whatever the case, you can experience something called a hypnotic power nap that really helps turn up the refreshment setting big time. That's right, a hypnotic power nap, tapping into what neuroscientists call non-sleep deep rest, NSDR. A state of mind and body where your unconscious mind can become open and receptive to positive suggestion for the purposes of a super efficient power nap, empowered and enhanced by hypnotic suggestion as you let go inside your mind and body, relaxing deeply all the way down now. As you drift deeper into sleep now, you can have more energy, because the moment you go deeper, you naturally have more energy. And as some part of you goes even deeper still, another part can quietly gather more energy, because the deeper you go into sleep now, the more energy you naturally have gathered inside your mind and body, inside every cell, body and brain, more energized. And you can experience that right now, just breathing, noticing your body, and noticing that the more you breathe, the more you relax. And the more you relax, the deeper you go into a hypnotic power nap. That's right. And the deeper you go into a hypnotic power nap, the more every cell is refreshed, rejuvenated, and restored, like batteries that are restoring to full charge. Like you've activated the reset switch of your mind and body for optimal restoration of energy and focus. And you can enhance the power of your hypnotic nap now by becoming more involved in this process and repeating the following suggestion to yourself. I'm more energized now because I've experienced a hypnotic power nap. I'm more energized now because I've experienced a hypnotic power nap. I'm more energized now because I've experienced a hypnotic power nap. I'm more energized now. Repeating it inside yourself like a gentle hypnotic loop. And even if you don't consciously believe it, still works, just like a catchy tune that gets stuck in your mind like super glue. A hypnotic power loop works the same way. A suggestion looping again and again, leaving a groove in your unconscious mind, like the groove of a record. The player follows as it turns and turns, creating the perfect sound. And even when you forget it, your unconscious mind remembers it and continues acting on that suggestion for more energy, focus, and motivation. Now that you've had this hypnotic power nap, it's like coming back from a whole night's sleep, feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, restored, because you've activated the reset switch of your mind and body, recharging those batteries of your cells inside every part of your body, including your brain, returning wide awake, alert, feeling better, feeling good. And now you can surprise yourself with every number that I count you back, just how much more you can come back like you've had a deep rest, a deep hypnotic power nap, as though returning from a deep, nourishing sleep, feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, restored, like pressing the reset button of your mind and body, recharging those batteries to 100%. And when you're ready, 1, drifting back, 2, coming back, feeling better than before, 3, 4, free to drift back, feeling better than before you began, 5, halfway there now, feeling more alive, 6, 7, 8, perhaps not great, but certainly better as you return, 9, reorientating in space and time, aware of what's to your left, the right of you, and in front of you, mind and body connected as one, and 10, coming all the way back now, opening your eyes now if you haven't already, rejuvenated, restored, reset, re-energized, refocused, reignited, and ready to go.